Yes, here's how I made about $2,000 trading gold using the BYBT strategy. That is following the trend, support and resistance, and pullbacks plus area of confluence. So I was trading gold, the New York session. That is the active session of the US dollar. So just a brief preview on this trade. I was on gold, that is XAUUSD, and the time frame I used was on the 1 minute. So we had our trade in the New York session, and if you're to look at the market structure using our BYBT strategy, we're going to identify this support zone. Then the support zone give us this impulsive move to the upside. I'm going to take this as our trend. Then we got a support, another support here. This can be as our higher low. Then this one is our higher high. Then the market is creating a zone of support here, which give us another trend to the upside. So that is our trend 2 is like our continuation trend, and this second trend is confirming to us that the buyers are in control. Then we are having a resistance zone that is also our new higher high. Okay, so then we are getting this pullback to this previous support zone. So if you combine this support zone here and this retest over here, then you're going to get our area of confluence. So this is where the buyers are going to be coming from, such that we can get another second push to the upside. So with that, we took our buy here, and then our stop loss is always below our area of confluence, and then we were aiming for this high here. Okay, so this is how our trade went in, just keeping it simple, support and resistance plus following the trend. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and share. If you want to learn more of this strategy, check out our BYBT strategy book. The links will be in the description. We also have our mentorship, that is 1 month, where we trade live for 2 weeks and classes for 2 weeks. So see you in the next one. Bye.